Do we really need to drink 8 glasses of water a day? Well, the fact is, every day we lose a lot of water. We urinate out approximately 1.5 litres. Out of our skin, we lose approximately 0.5 litres. So for the US, a litre is 4 cups of water, or 4 glasses. So basically it's the same as a quart.
Water is essential for life, and most of us have heard the common advice to drink 8 glasses of water a day to maintain optimal health. However, renowned health advocate Barbaraoneill challenges some of these long-held beliefs about hydration. In her lectures and writings, she offers a fresh perspective on how to stay hydrated without falling into common pitfalls, such as overconsuming water during meals or relying on unhealthy beverages like tea. In today's video, we're going to uncover the dangerous water drinking habits that are silently killing you that you don't know about.
Have you ever slept on a mattress on the floor and in the morning you pick the mattress up and it's damp underneath? We lose moisture while we sleep from our skin. So we lose 1.5 litres from our kidneys, we lose 0.5 litres from our skin, we lose 0.3 litres from our colon, and we lose 0.2 from our lungs. So that's 2.5 litre loss a day, or 2.5 quart loss a day. That must be replaced. We don't have a reserve tank on the back. The only water that goes into the body is the water that we drink. Well, what about tea and coffee? Coke? Well, unfortunately, caffeine and sugar are dehydrating agents. And so if you're dehydrated and drink tea or coffee or Coke or Dr. Pepper or any soda drinks, because of the dehydrating agents in them, you will become more dehydrated.
Many people believe that any liquid they consume, whether it's tea, coffee, or soda, contributes to their hydration levels. Barbaraoneill debunks this misconception. She explains that not all fluids hydrate your body equally. In fact, certain beverages like coffee, tea, and sugary drinks can do more harm than good when it comes to maintaining hydration. Coffee and some tea contain caffeine, a diuretic that increases urination and potentially causes dehydration. Similarly, sugary drinks can create a cycle of thirst and dehydration because the high sugar content causes water to be drawn out of your cells, exacerbating the problem. Therefore, drinking these beverages when you are already dehydrated can worsen your condition, as the body continues to lose water. Instead of reaching for a cup of coffee or tea when you're thirsty, Barbaraoneill suggests focusing on pure water, and she offers some surprising methods for enhancing the hydration process.
When we're dehydrated, our body goes into a form of drought management, and it releases a hormone called histamine. And histamine is moving around the body in an attempt to maintain full blood volume in the major arteries and veins to try and keep our body alive. So what it does, it takes a little bit of water away from our joints. So we can get painful joints in dehydration. It takes a little bit of water away from the lining of our stomach that has a thick mucosal wall on it. You see, that thick mucosal wall is 99% water, so we can develop stomach ulcers in a dehydrated state. It takes water from the brain. From the neck down, we're 75% water. From the neck up, we're 85% water. When water is taken away from the brain cells shrink, and that hurts. There's your headache. Even negative thought patterns can develop when our brain is dehydrated.
When the body is dehydrated, a fascinating response occurs internally that many people may not be aware of. Barbaraoneill explains that the body releases histamine, a compound that plays a key role in various physiological processes, including inflammation and allergic reactions. However, histamine also plays an important role in water regulation. When the body detects dehydration, it releases histamine to conserve the available water. This is a protective mechanism that can cause symptoms such as headaches, fatigue, and dry skin, symptoms that are often misinterpreted as signs of other health issues.
So, in answer to the question, yes, absolutely not negotiable, we need to drink 8 glasses of water a day. Here's the rule of thumb. To 100 pounds, 8 glasses of water. To 50 pound, 4 glasses of water. That's the rule of thumb, and that's a good guideline for children.
One of the most common hydration recommendations is to drink 8 glasses of water a day. However, Barbara-O'Neill questions this advice, stating that it's not a one-size-fits-all rule. While water is crucial, the amount each person needs varies depending on factors such as age, weight, activity level, and climate. For instance, someone who exercises intensely in a hot climate will need more water than someone who leads a sedentary lifestyle in a cooler environment. She stresses the importance of listening to your body's thirst signals rather than adhering to a rigid number. Furthermore, there are other natural sources to quench your thirst that can contribute to your daily intake without damaging your body. Foods like fruits and vegetables contain water and can help keep you hydrated. For example, cucumber, watermelon, and lettuce have high water content, and including them in your diet can reduce the amount of pure water you need to drink.
You will notice if children don't drink water before the meal, as soon as they've eaten the meal, they want water. And yet it's not a good time to drink water because it can dilute your hydrochloric acid and interfere with your digestion. So I say to parents, make sure your children are drinking water between meals.
Therefore, instead of fixating on the 8 glasses a day rule, Barbara-O'Neill encourages a more individualized approach, where people pay attention to their own body's needs and adjust their water intake accordingly. Another controversial point that Barbara-O'Neill addresses is the timing of water consumption in relation to meals. While many people are in the habit of drinking water with their food or right after a meal, Barbara-O'Neill cautions against this practice. Drinking water during meals can dilute stomach acid, which is necessary for breaking down food and aiding digestion. Stomach acid plays a critical role in the digestive process, breaking down proteins and facilitating the absorption of nutrients. If this acid is diluted, digestion can slow down, leading to issues such as indigestion, bloating, and nutrient malabsorption. Barbara-O'Neill advises drinking water at least 30 minutes before a meal or waiting an hour after eating to allow the digestive process to proceed efficiently. By avoiding water during meals, you can ensure that your stomach has the necessary acidity to break down food properly and support overall digestive health.
And the best way to access that water is to have a little bit of the Celtic salt with its 82 minerals just before each glass. Start hydrating your body and see the difference.
One of Barbara-O'Neill's most unique hydration hacks involves adding Celtic salt to water. While salt has been vilified in many health circles due to its association with high blood pressure and heart disease, O'Neill makes a distinction between refined table salt and unrefined Celtic salt. Celtic salt is a type of sea salt that contains 82 trace minerals, including magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are essential for maintaining electrolyte balance in the body, which is crucial for proper hydration. When you sweat or urinate, you lose not only water but also electrolytes, and replenishing these electrolytes is just as important as drinking water itself. Barbara-O'Neill explains that adding a pinch of Celtic salt to your water can help your body absorb and retain water more effectively. This is especially beneficial for those who exercise regularly or live in hot climates, where the risk of dehydration is higher. Celtic salt helps the body maintain its electrolyte balance, ensuring that cells stay hydrated and function properly. Additionally, Celtic salt can help regulate blood pressure, support muscle function, and promote better sleep. By adding this simple step to your hydration routine, Barbara-O'Neill claims you can make a significant difference in how your body feels and performs. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to click the like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.